Hello, morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ogbanje Joseph. Please subscribe to this channel, share, like, as well as drop a comment on the comment section. What we're looking at today is a cleaner who returned $10,000 found in an aircraft gets rewarded. The Nigerian Aviation Handling Company PLC NACO Avians has rewarded a staff member, Mr. Awal Dankud, for returning $10,000 he found while cleaning an aircraft in Kano. The reward includes a cash prize, an instant promotion, and an appointment as a NACO brand ambassador. Dankud, who was cleaning an Egypt Air MS-878 aircraft when he discovered the money left behind by a passenger, immediately returned it over to the airline's station manager. Speaking at a ceremony held at NACO's headquarters in Lagos, Dankud expressed gratitude to the company for training an opportunity to work at the airport, noting that no one from his area had ever worked there. The group managing director and CEO of NACO, Mr. Idranil Gupta, commended Dankud for his honesty and integrity, stating, and I quote, "He is a true NACO ambassador and an embodiment of what NACO stands for, which is honesty, integrity, diligence, and hard work." Gupta highlighted that a majority of NACO staff exhibit these values in their daily work and urged Dankud to continue to be a good NACO ambassador. Other NACO executive, also praised Dankud actions. Mr. Adeoye Emiloju which is a chief financial officer, noted that the integrity you have displayed is innate to you. The COO, Mr. Deda Stolet, encouraged Dankud to stay grounded and continue making a positive difference. Dr. Shola Obabori, the group executive director, added that Dankud's action has made him a poster boy for NACO worldwide, especially in a context where the dollar's value is very high. As NACO's new brand ambassador, Dankud will represent the company at major events nationwide, promoting its brand, and will have opportunity to travel and engage with top officials and stakeholders. It is actually important for Nigerians to continue to live above board with this kind of exemplary and sterling qualities that Dankud has demonstrated. Thank you very much.